I'll be showing you the top live recording apps for your Shopify store. For each of these apps, we'll be taking a look at the features, pricing, and reviews so you can decide what's the best fit for your store. The first app we're taking a look at is called Propel Replays, so you can increase sales by watching your customers in action, uncover errors and issues that are blocking your sales, all to help increase your conversion rate. This is going to allow you to uncover sale blocking errors by seeing why shoppers don't buy. So you can follow your shopper's complete journey, and they're going to break down session recordings by page visit so you can see and understand and optimize the exact path that shoppers are taking through your store. This is going to allow you to stop specific errors, such as if a customer is ending up on a 404 page, you can find out by seeing and watching their actions. This is going to let you experience it from the customer's device and eyes, and you can uncover tons of different errors. Some examples might be just poor formatting on different images, maybe the text is expanding over the page, and it's all going to depend on the number of settings that your store has and what theme you're using. But this is going to be easier than you trying to test on every single device out there. You can also filter replays by traffic, type, cart value, errors, and more, and you can watch replays on the go. In terms of pricing, there is a completely free plan with up to 100 page views per month, and it's going to move up in price depending on the number of page views. At $9.95, it's 30,000 page views, and at $39.95, it's up to 200,000 page views per month. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars with 360 plus 5-star reviews. Merchants highly recommend this app for understanding and improving customer behavior on their websites. It offers immediate session recordings for quick analysis, helping to identify website issues, test new store templates, and respecting customer privacy. Next up, we have Peak, Better Replay, and Surveys. So you can record user sessions, understand your customers, and provide versatile surveys to improve your store. Through the customer session recordings, you can track every action your visitors perform in your store to improve their shopping experience and boost conversions. You can create segments to analyze your data, gathering insight into customer behavior so you can focus on what's important and refine what isn't working. It's also going to have extra features such as post-purchase surveys, and it's going to give you detailed and powerful metrics. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.8 stars with 2.2 thousand 5-star reviews. Merchants highly recommend this app, especially for new businesses, for its ability to provide valuable insights into customer behavior so they can optimize their site. The replay feature is particularly appreciated, allowing real-time tracking of customer activity. Next up, we have Mida Heatmap Record and Replay. So you can improve the shopping experience by watching customer actions. For these session replays, you can see exactly what customers see and watch real users to find and fix hidden friction and conversion blockers. They also have heat maps so you can check users' clicks, scrolls, and moves, and it's going to have the ability for you to collect survey responses as well. It's also going to give you detailed analytics. And in terms of pricing, there is a completely free plan with 400 unique visitors per month, and the basic plan is going to include 2,000 unique visitors, and at $30 a month, you get 10,000 unique visitors. And all plans include session recordings, heat maps, and more. In terms of reviews, sitting at an excellent 4.7 stars with 54 5-star reviews. And if we take a look at one of the latest review here, they've been using this app for some time and it's been really helpful. Live chat support has also been really good, and they went and thanked the team. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money your store has actually made. That's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations so you can truly understand your store's performance. It's going to sync seamlessly with all your different ad accounts from Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok, along with many cost of goods sold options and all transaction fee gateways. You can get tons of different details and analytics as well as metrics so you can make smarter business decisions. There's a free 15-day trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. There's a link in the description below to access the Shopify app listing directly. You can also search for it in the Shopify App Store by searching Profit Calc and then looking for this logo in the top left here. Next up, we have Popcorn Replay Customer Visits. You can record customer visits in your store to gain valuable insights, letting you experience your store through the eyes of the customer. It's designed exclusively for Shopify stores, so you can monitor significant events like product page page visits, cart page abandonments, and fully converted sessions. This is going to allow you to discover pitfalls and save your sales. In terms of pricing, it's going to start at $9.99 a month, going up to $49.99 a month, and it's going to depend on the number of saved recordings. In terms of reviews, sitting at an excellent 4.6 stars with 175-star reviews, with merchants highly recommending this app for its ability to track and record customer behavior, helping to identify areas of improvement. Lastly, we have Replay Pro Analytics and Replays, letting you visualize your visitor activity. So you can track key points in the customer journey, including purchases and cart additions, identify and eliminate conversion obstacles for better customer experience, and you can see it all in real time. In terms of pricing, it's going to start at $4.95 a month, going up to $24.95 depending on the number of page views. In terms of reviews, excellent 4.7 stars with 11 5-star reviews, with the latest review saying that it works amazing for finding errors on their website, which made it easier for customers to navigate without any issues. So this is going to conclude the video here on the top live recording apps for your Shopify store. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. Let me know in the comments which app you're planning to use. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.